Are you tired of starting a workout routine only to give up a few weeks later? The secret isn't more willpower. It's having the right plan for your unique body. Welcome to Healthy World, the place where we turn healthy living into something you can enjoy and stick to for life. Finding your perfect workout doesn't have to be complicated. Start by assessing where you are now, your strength, endurance, flexibility, and mobility. Decide what you truly want to achieve. Build muscle, lose weight, increase energy, or simply feel more confident. Before we go on, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with someone who's ready to get fit. The most effective routines include strength training, cardio, and flexibility work. Mix exercises like squats, push-ups, and rows with activities you enjoy, such as cycling, running, swimming, or dancing. Add stretching and mobility to keep your body strong, balanced, and injury-free. Choose a schedule you can stick to, maybe 3 to 5 workouts a week, and allow time for rest and recovery. Listen to your body, adjust intensity when needed, and celebrate every small win. Your fittest, healthiest self isn't built in a day, but every step you take brings you closer. Stay consistent, enjoy the process, and you'll be amazed by the results. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Healthy World for more tips to support your journey to a better you.